Hello guys, you're watching CPA Hacks. Before watching the video, please subscribe my channel and like the videos which you're going to see. Okay. And we have taken steps to teach my students as a weekly base. Okay. So I'm going to give you a challenge to earn $1,000 in your first week itself. Okay. From today evening 6 p.m. I'm going to teach you how to earn your first $1,000 in the 7 days. Okay, the day one video will be published on today 6 p.m. Okay, so be ready guys. Please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get the notifications. Okay, this is a very absolutely useful video for you guys. You will definitely get succeed in this because CPA marketing is not a difficult thing. Definitely you can earn a simple dollars of money easily. Okay, what are all the things we are going to see on the next 7 days? Okay, CPA marketing earning methods from scratch to the end. I will explain you each and everything what is CPA marketing and how it works and how to earn money and how to end up with a successful strategy. Okay, and what kind of CPA marketing methods will leads you to success. I will teach you the methods which will leads you to success. Okay, what are all the working methods and what are all the methods which won't work. Okay, I will show you two different methods also. Okay, which method will work and which method won't work. Okay, and I will teach you the traffic source method also. Okay, I will show you where to place your CPA links and where will you get your leads. Okay, everything from A to Z I will teach you for your traffic source and how to make a simple landing page to attract your customers. Okay, because landing page is a must thing. uh, how to say, landing page is the main thing to earn money in CPA marketing because landing page will leads you to earn more than $1,000 in a single month. Okay, many people are earning more than $5,000 in a single week itself. Okay, so this is main thing in a CPA marketing is landing page. Okay, and everything will be practically shown. Okay, I won't just teach and go off. Okay, every works I will explain you in practically on my own PC. Okay, I will tell you where to get your which means CPA links and where to promote it and how to get your traffic itself. Okay, everything I will teach you at A to Z. So what you need to do is subscribe my channel and click on the notification on button and like my videos and share your videos. Actually share my videos who all are need in CPM marketing. Okay, so please guys support my channel and don't waste your time. Let's move on to the next step for earning money in CPM marketing. Okay, so see you on evening from today and daily evening 6 p.m. the video will be continuously updated. Okay, from today from today to next Wednesday the videos will be uploaded automatically on 6 p.m. Okay, thank you guys, have a nice day.